Hello everyone, my name is Andin Janna with student ID 0903-12823-28335. I'm from Informasi Sistem regular class 4A, Faculty of Computer Science, Information System Department. Okay, so this case study focuses on applying basic Linux Ubuntu commands, including file and directory management, permission settings, symbolic links, and user mesh or UMesh configuration. Here, we are required to manage a directory containing identity information, manipulate files, and set access permissions to ensure data security. Through this case study, we can understand how a Linux-based operating system handles files and directory in the context of user and groups. So in this case study, there are several solutions that we will base on. Okay, the first is directory structure. The commands is used to create the hierarchical directory structure, including the first main directory 0903-1282328035 underscore Andin Sabilla Janna. Subdirectory is document, code, and archive. The analysis is creating this structured directory helps organize files efficiently according to their purpose. This separation ensures that each type of data has its own place, making it easier to access and manage. The last is ls-r to list all directories recursively to confirm they were created successfully. Okay, the next is file manipulation. So we are creating file using equal and T allows quick data entry without opening a text editor. Using CP for backup ensures that the original file remains safe in case of errors. The FE command reorganizes file into appropriate directories for better management. These steps demonstrate how Linux provides various efficient methods for handling files. Okay, the explanation of the code is 1. Create identities.txt file echo min e. 2. Write text into the file with new lines and secondary is T saves the output to identitas.txt. Okay, the next is copy identitas.txt to archive as identitas underscore backup to txt. CP to copies the files to another location. Okay, the next is move identitas.txt to the code directory. The MV to move the file from document to code. Okay, the last is display the content of identitas backup.txt. Cat to shows the content of the backup file to verify it was copied correctly. Okay, the third is file permission settings. The explanation is 1. Change file permission for identitas underscore backup.txt. The chmod 640 consists of owner, group or staff, and others. The owner 2 can read and write. The parentheses R, W, min. The group or staff 2 can read only. The parentheses are min. The others to no access. The parentheses min. Okay, the next is change file ownership. Change file ownership consists of own root staff to assign root as the owner and staff as the group. Okay, the last is verify file permission. Verify file permission consists of ls-l to display file details including permission and ownership. Okay, the next is symbolic link. Okay, in symbolic links, allow access to the main file without duplicating its contents. Any change to the originally file are automatically reflected in the symbolic link, making data management more efficient. This demonstrates how symbolic link improve accessibility without creating unnecessary copies that could burden the system. Okay, next, in the explanation, the first is create referency underscore 0903 12.8 to 328035. Okay, this file contains documentation for the operation system. Next is create a symbolic link shortcut underscore 0903 12.8 to 328035.txt. Okay, consists of ln min s to create a shortcut that links to referency 0903 12.8 to 328035.txt. Okay, the next is verify the shortcut was created. Okay, consists of ls min l. Show the list of files including the symbolic link. The next is modify referency underscore name.txt. Any change method of the original file will be reflected in the shortcut. The last is check the shortcut content. Consists of cat code to display all the content of shortcut underscore name.txt, which is the same as referency underscore name.txt. Okay, the last is user mesh. The umesh command control the default permission of newly created the files. Okay, in the explanation, the first is check the default umesh value. Consists of umesh code to display the default umesh value. Okay, the next is change umesh to 027. Okay, in the umesh 027, the files have rw min the parent has 640 permission. This means the owner can read and write, the group can only read, and others have no access. This setup ensures the sensitive data remains inaccessible to another user by default. Understanding umesh is crucial for system security as it defines default access permission for newly created the file. Okay, the next is create new file data underscore name.txt. Consists of touch code to create an empty file. Okay, the last is ls min l from check file permission. Ls min l to show the new file permission after applying the umesh setting. Okay, effect the changing umesh is for the default umesh is 022. New files will have 644. With umesh 027, new files will have 640. This prevents others from accessing the file. Okay, conclusion from this case study is Linux file and directory management is highly flexible, enabling efficient data organization. Access permission settings, ch mode and ch on are essential for securing files. Symbolic links, ln min s provide efficient file access without duplication. The umesh configuration plays a crucial role in default file security setting. These concepts are valuable not only in academic setting, but also in real-world applications, especially for system administrators and software developers working with Linux-based systems. Overall, the implementation of Linux commands in this case study showcase how the operating system efficiently manages file, access permission, and data security. That's all for my explanation for this case study. I hope this video helps you understand the concept and command in Linux more clearly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!